Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the creation for today, and it's the story from Luke 5, 1-11, and it's the catch of fish, the large catch of fish. And this is Jesus in the boat with the disciples, and then all of a sudden, yes, they caught a load of fish. This is how we make it. So this is my template that I've coloured in. I've just done these colours with just crayons and felt tip. Oh, and I've cut out this bit. Like I do with these scissors, I just plunge it into the centre and then cut out from underneath around the edge. So I've cut all the way around, and I'm coming around to the other side, and I'll just cut this piece here. There you go, there's the water uncovered. Now I need to fold these bits up. So the easiest way to fold is to pinch where the lines are. Like that. And push it down. Try to not get those lines in if I can help it. Oh, I did get them in. Not that easy. Right, okay. Now this fold this one. Pinch the line. Pinch the dotted line, and then you can fold it down like that. And just make sure it's folded well. That's that one. Now we've got to do these two corner bits. There's that one there, and that one there. Pinch them together, and then fold it down like that. Now where are we? Where's the dotted line? Oh, there it is. Fold that one, and fold that one, and pinch them together like that. So you've got that. Just make sure it's a bit well folded. Yeah, this bit was just tipping down a bit, so I just made it just tipping down like that. So I just made it a bit squarer by lining up the edges a bit more. Okay, so you've got all the folds done. Now you can put this into your little pocket. And if you folded it up well, the fish should appear. There they are, fishing. That's Simon Peter and his brother Andrew, and then all of a sudden, yes, the fish are in the net. I'm sure you've had lots of fun putting that together. Remember the story. God bless and see you next time.